Gradient of a straight line or slope of a straight line passing through 2 points is what today we are going to work example on. Suppose you are given points A, which is x1, y1, and B, s2, y2, and we are told to find the gradient passing through this point. All that we need to know is the gradient m is equal to change of y divided by change of x. So we have to find the change of y divided by the change of x. The change of y is that we have y1 and y2. So we can say y2 minus y1 divided by the change of x. We have s2 and x1. So s2 minus what? x1. The answer that we will get from this is the gradient for these 2 points. Now, let's look at an example. What is the gradient of the line passing through point Q, 3, -8, and R, -5? So our solution will be, we have to find what? The change of what? Y divided by what? The change of what? X. So the change of y, we have what? y2 minus y1, then s2 minus what? x1. We have these 2 points. This one is your y, and another what? Y. We can decide to make this one y2, here becomes what? y1. And here x1, here becomes what? x2. So for the y2, we are saying that it should go at -2. So we have what? -2, then minus our y1 divided by our s2 is -5. So -5 minus our x1 is what? 3. Then -2 minus -8. -2 minus -8 will give us 6. We have here -5 minus what? Which will give us what? 8. So I think we can break it down. Let's break it down. Breaking it down, 2 goes here, 3, 2 goes here, 4. Then we have negative, which is your negative. So the gradient for these 2, Q to R, is what? -3 on 4. -3 on 4. Now let's look at example 2. Example 2. He says that we should find the slope. The slope here is the same as what? The gradient. So sometimes it will tell you to find what? The slope or the gradient of the line passing through point A and point B. And we know that our solution will be gradient will be equal to what? y2 minus what? y1. Then s2 minus what? x1. So you have to find your x and you have to find what? Your y. So we can say this one should be our x1 and this one should be our y1. s2 y2. So our y2 is what? 1 minus our y1 is what? 6 divided by our x2 is 3 minus our x1, which is negative 3. So here let's subtract. When we subtract, we get what? Then here, 3 minus negative 3 will give us what? 6. Nothing can divide, therefore we can conclude that negative 5 on 6 is the slope or the gradient for point A and B. Point A and B. Try these questions on your own. See you next time.